Hi everybody, it's Diane, and I am outside. And yes, this is Paas dye. So it is such a perfect day. It's warm, there's no breeze. I couldn't let it go by. So I'm going to Paas dye, vintage notebook paper there, and I've got gloves. And I'm going to pause at the moment and then show you dipping in a little bit. And then at the end, I'll let you see what they look like because it's pretty cool. Okay, hang on. Okay, I'm done. That did take a minute. There's my yard. Yeah, there's a blowing. Oh no. Yeah, I'll have you know it got a little breezy here since I started this. There you go. I'm just going to let them sit there till they dry, and I will show you when they're done. Okay, I'm back inside. They're all done. Got 82 papers. Pretty cool. Isn't that neat? These first two I'm showing because they're not that exciting, and towards the end you start it just because I use gloves. Well, I suppose with your hand too, but you're dipping in the bowls, it goes really well right towards the end. It starts mixing a little bit, but it's still usable to me. This one, more the ink ran, I think, than I got dye on it. And I'm not going to show front and back of every one, but they are, some of them are quite different. That's kind of a boring one. Some of them are very similar, front and back. But anyway, so you can see. And since I, scrunch them, fold them, put them in a small bowl, you get the wrinkles and the crinkling action. If you don't want that and want to use more like trays for your Paas, that would be, a way to go there. But I kind of like it, and I don't have trays, so. And a little note I should have said in the beginning, if you don't want dyed fingers for a couple days, wear gloves, wear an apron or old clothes, including your shoes. It could get on it and stain. These are kind of neat, don't you think? And yeah, I noticed there was no purple in this kit. They ripped me off of purple. I don't know. Paas nowadays, they do different things different years. There was a red. I didn't use it. That to me would be too garish for a background paper. If you want to use red, be my guest. And your paper will make a difference too. Sometimes the lines, the ink, if you're using notebook paper, will really completely wash out. Other times you can still see it, it's very visible. I did not use any printer paper. I can't give any recommendations on that. You can see where, I don't know if you really saw it so much when I was dipping. I dip in a color, set it down, then dip usually in another color for the next paper, and then kind of drip over as I'm going. That's how I get my drips and different colors on. That's just how I do it. I don't know. Maybe there's a more efficient way. You could put this stuff in a spray bottle or something. I don't know. That's just how I do it. See, now this one doesn't really have any splotching, but it's got a lot of color all over. And yes, there were a few had rolled, up against my fence and stuff. That's just a hazard. Makes it exciting. And yeah, if you don't like more of a solid look, this one just sort of has, splotches. But I generally just use these in journals. Fold them in half as a paper. Sometimes I use them, I cut them and put them over text if I've used a book page in a journal and I want to write on it, or if I'm selling it. and I feel I want to do that, I use it for that too. So I know I'm a little, past the Easter season here, but yeah, next, February, March, you might want to buy a couple boxes of Paas. And I have nothing to do with the Paas company. I don't even know if I'm saying their name correctly. Paas. Is it Paas? I don't know. But that's just what I use. And yeah, this is going to have to do me until next year. I didn't buy... I bought 2 kits. One for eggs and then one for this. I probably should have bought a third one, right? Pretty neat. And yeah, be aware, if you mix blue and orange, you might get kind of a uffy color. Green and orange. But generally speaking, it's okay. And I do not iron these or anything. This is just the way it came out of the yard. And as I was stacking them up, if there was one that was kind of had a bent corner or something, I would do that with my hands, smooth it out, but that's it. And that's all I'm going to do. I just put them in a stack with other dyed papers, and I'll put, the other ones on top, so they get a little weighted, but that's all I do with it. Pretty cool, pretty neat, sounds neat too. And if you buy Paas, you get stickers and egg wrappers you can use in your craft stuff. Win-win. Okay. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.